Oh, what do we have here? Cops respond to threesome gone wrong. Girlfriend gets jealous.
Police department.
I'm sorry. Just having a little situation. I've been trying to keep it under control.
Okay. Can you step out here and talk with us just for a minute?
I don't know if I should do that. I'm gonna stand right here.
Is anybody hurt?
No.
That's what we want to make sure.
Can we talk to her for a second?
Yeah, please.
She's waiting for somebody to come pick her up, so I'm just trying to keep it.
Okay, well,
there's a lot of yelling going on.
Everyone is awake now. Okay, she can't keep doing this. Okay. Hey, are you about to leave?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Come over here and talk to me.
Can I lay eyes on him to make sure he's okay?
Rachel, can you open the door?
Now she hiding in the bathroom.
You okay?
Yeah, she's alright. I'm just
You
kidding.
alright? Okay.
We're just trying to make sure everything's
She like, I signed up for a night of fun. I didn't sign up for all of this.
okay. What's been going on?
I have a ride already on the way, and he had somebody already in the bathroom. Like, I'm bleeding and everything over him. Like he's assaulting me, and I'm like, now he wants her to open the door all of a sudden. And she has this girl in here like I'm the problem.
Okay, do you live here?
No, I do, but all my stuff is
So
here.
he was hitting you? Is that what you
Right.
said?
Like so I'm having to,
Can I see your marks and stuff? real quick?
that's really it. But he's hitting me. Like he's like, no, like he's hitting me over this girl. He wanted to have a threesome and all this. I would tell you.
At what point was it physical between you guys?
It's just literally a little right before you guys got here.
Okay, so
we've been chilling for hours.
So what started the argument?
Just stupidness, just silliness. I guess the drinking. Like there's no reason for it.
It was about to get physical between the two females, so that's when you interjected?
Yeah, just that's why I was standing. As soon as y'all knocked, I pretty much moved out.
So basically, he was trying to get me to have a threesome with this person, and she came in. She was so rude. Like, how do you know him? Da, da, da. It's been hours.
Yeah, I've
why I
heard.
said-
That's
why I
what we
said
were
I had
told by
that's why I
multiple
said-
people.
Multiple?
Yeah.
That's why I said I had messages. Like, he's telling me, stay here, stay here. And I had a ride. He was like, no, stay here.
Was he preventing you from walking?
He was
out of there?
preventing me. Like, he was like, no, stay here. And I'm like, no. Like,
He was not trying to let this dream go by. He was like, we already here. I just got to get these to chill. But if anything, if you was trying to set that up, alcohol shouldn't have been the go-to. It should have been maybe, something else more medicinal. And secondly, if you was trying to set that up, you should have took them on a date first to see if they could even cohabitate with each other. Cause just them two people just popping up on each other and they don't know each other. You know what I'm saying? Like you supposed to make it like a whole little vibe. Bro is not doing his immaculate macking right now. He lacking on his pimping, but it's cool cause I was finna go to jail.
I'm leaving. I was drunk with myself. And he's like, come drink with us. She gave you a drink. And I'm like, but she was so rude to me. She's like, how do you know him? Da, da, da. I'm showing the messages now. I'm like, he's
So was he punching you?
like, he was like, yeah, like kind of, he was kind of holding the door from her.
So
Like the whole- like-
preventing you from leaving.
Like, no, she's in the bathroom.
Yeah.
But he was preventing me like I was gonna just assault her and just hurt her like she's gonna hurt me. So I'm like, just open the door, I'm like, we're both women, you're hitting me and like
So what I'm hearing, she's been over here for a little bit. He invited another girl over to have a threesome. And then she came in very rude. She was not being very nice. And then she went and locked herself in the bathroom. Is that what I heard?
the other girl did.
Yeah, the other
No,
girl
well,
locked.
he locked her. She went in to use the restroom and
Yeah.
he locked her in.
Okay, so
How the hell he do that?
Yeah, he started acting weird. Like, no, like I was just a problem.
Okay.
So what happened after that little argument?
Just now, that's why y'all came. I didn't know y'all was coming. He's like, oh, the police at the door. I'm like, okay, let him in. He's like, oh, let him in. Like, I'm not here to cause a problem. I'm living here with you. All my stuff is here. And everything, like.
Who did that to you? Okay.
Just
So-
intervening in between, just like trying to.
Is this a hotel or is this a goddamn apartment? Cause I am so lost. It's giving like hotel.
Tell me where I'm wrong on the story. So you guys were here. We're gonna have a threesome with her.
Well, we weren't going to have a threesome. That wasn't. I mean, we've been chilling. If it happened, it happened. If it don't, it don't. Nobody
Oh, well, okay, whatever. Well, you guys.
Really, bruh? So you just invite another female over while another female is there, and if it happened, it happened. Really?
We're hanging out together and it possibly would have gotten into it, whatever that case is. What happened with her locking herself in the room and you?
Well, I locked her in.
That's what I mean. Like,
just to stop
what was the?
It just got kind of a little bit tipsy.
And she didn't like it?
Yeah, she didn't.
Does she live here?
No one. I'm the only one who lives here.
Isn't that kidnapping if you lock somebody in a place that they don't want to be?
She said that she lives.
She lives here? No.
She said that she lives
She
here.
doesn't live here.
Does she have clothes and
Yeah,
stuff
she
here?
did. She got in a situation with her grandmother maybe like 3 days ago, and I know her. I'm not gonna leave her out.
She looked like she mixed with a little Latina.
Yeah, it's worse out there. Like
Or white.
this, I'm cool with this. Like, but
Can I talk with you over here on the saddle?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna be able to do to prevent this whole ordeal and mess?
The BBW.
I'm gonna.
Two of them.
I know better now, so I'm probably gonna stop.
We're like all chilling. She's just like started like spazzing out of nowhere. Like I don't know where it came from because we were all just cool. But other than that, like my main intent was to come to see him.
Are you guys dating? I don't care what you guys are. I'm just trying to figure it all out.
Yeah, you could say that. But she was here, and I don't know. It was just weird. Like we were all cool, and then she just.
See, men be wanting a poly relationship and having two females at the same time until they ass get cool, and then they start ganging up on you in the fights. Now you got to argue with two women versus one.
I don't know where.
What's up?
I don't understand it. I don't get it.
When I'm done.
I'm just a bystander.
Did the argument start over?
I don't know.
You don't.
I don't know.
What
I
about
was
where
in
you
the
at?
in the restroom the whole time.
All right.
So you didn't see any of the altercation?
I did not see the altercation whatsoever.
The story that I was getting from him is pretty similar to what you were telling me.
It
That
is.
you were getting kind of angry at one point at her, right?
And she was. Ask him.
Well, you guys were
You can
getting
see
mad
the
at each other.
messages. He was saying, "I'm
Yeah.
sorry, babe." Like she's so like.
And so you guys were getting mad at each other. So he shoved her into the bathroom to keep her from fighting you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is funny. I'm sorry. Oh, he was trying to set up a situation that man.
No, then keep
Poor
me
girl.
from both of us. Really,
Yeah,
I guess.
exactly. Yeah. And so after that, that's when you were trying to get through him to kind of get to the bathroom, and then that's when you have marks on you, and then you had a mark on him.
Yeah, because he knows.
So there's no way you can carry all those things out right now, right?
That's what I was like. Yeah,
So what do you want to do?
I have somebody. I have friends that come get it.
Right, and we can't stay here all night because we're still keeping
I know
all
that.
of these
So what am I
people
supposed
up.
to do?
So do you want us to bring all your stuff out here and wait for your
And
friend?
just sit here?
Yeah,
While he's sitting
because
there smiling?
we're not gonna leave with
Okay,
you
what
guys
am I
all
supposed
in
to
there.
Now I'm thinking like, what am I
That's-
supposed to do?
that's what
like,
I'm
but
trying to give you your
I'm
options.
trying
I'm
to
trying to
threesome.
get, listen.
Yeah,
I'm trying
You supposed to give in if that's where you stand. You just hey, look, if you ain't paying no bill, you gotta do what you gotta do it to
to give you your options.
But see, cause she wants him. Did you take my pants off?
Hey,
Now that's
and, hey, listen,
Okay.
and this is why we're not leaving.
now it's just me.
So I'm giving you your options. Listen, stop talking. Listen.
Don't talk to her.
with your freaky ass.
We're gonna go in and grab your stuff
That's
and
fine.
bring it out here.
That's fine. Because but she's wants it. It's fine. That's why I told you I have messages.
Or would you
separate.
rather leave it in there and come back and get it when you're
I
all
have
sober?
to come now. I have to come. That's not so. That's not the f***ing case.
So those are the two options. So you just need to make a
That's what I'm saying.
decision.
So come get my stuff and bring it out. Period.
That's what you want. Okay.
Period.
We just
Period.
needed an answer from you.
I need my like, cause he is wrong.
Can you say it right
What he
now?
did to me is wrong. He put me out. I want all my shit. Period. That's not even just my.
All right, that's it. You ready?
That's not even all my stuff. You said to my peoples get here. I can have all my stuff out here.
You need to cooperate, or else you're gonna go to jail.
I can go
Okay.
to jail. I ain't gonna lie.
We're
They're
trying
not
to prevent
here
you to
'cause I'm
have to go to
gonna
jail.
stand I have messages. Who was trying to force
Ma'am.
me to threesome?
Let's-
Period.
You're causing a disturbance. Stop.
Stop.
Shut up. Listen,
She mad about this.
Stop.
listen. Can y'all please pull up
We're-
this message before y'all arrest me,
Ma'am,
please?
we're
Before
trying
y'all
to
arrest
help
me,
you.
before I arrest me.
Avoid that.
Because
Okay.
that's how much I would spend. Like, I'm not gonna go like that. Like, no, hell no, I'm not. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going like that. Because no, the way he did me is wrong. Like, he was forcing me into a f***ing threesome with him. No,
There's 4 of us. There's 4 buckets. Let's all grab one and go downstairs.
That's what I'm saying. I understand that. Please give me a second. Like, damn. That's why they got me drunk. And you can see it all in the messages because they wanted to me. Like, no, what the I'm 19. They 33 and.
That has nothing to do with this. There's
pedophiles.
4
I'm just
buckets.
saying, period. Y'all not gonna make it sound like I'm the aggressor. None of that. Y'all can take me to jail right now, baby. I'm press charges. They got cameras and all in this.
What do you want to go to jail for?
You just told me you're gonna take me to jail for sitting here waiting on my right. I'm not going. It's cold.
She got to be from either St. Louis or Dallas, because they the only one that be like there, right there.
Down there.
Stand up, help us gather your things and take it to the lobby where you can wait for your ride.
Second, like my anxiety. I'm saying.
No, we don't have all night, and you're still keeping everyone up. Stop yelling. Okay.
Well, how he did me is wrong. Period.
Damn, that's all her stuff.
It's all my here. My charger ain't even in here. Like all my in here.
Let's grab
Like
your
on my
stuff.
soul, I'm not even here. Period. Y'all
See, look, this is why I don't depend on a soul for help. I've tried to depend on people in the past, but I'm just like, hey, look, if I can't do it, fuck it. I'm gonna find a way, because like when you lean on somebody else for help and shit, this is the type of shit you gotta deal with. You are at their what's that word? I can't even get it out. You're at their, not their leisure. You basically gotta do whatever the fuck they say. You feel me? Or you could just leave. And it seemed like she was cool with it, and something just popped off. Like it seemed like she was down, because it ain't no reason why you gonna go chill with another female and another man. You know what I'm saying? And y'all both like the same dude. Like it's just nah.
That's what take me to jail. I'm like, so I'm not in here. Like, I'm sorry.
She like, I ain't got nothing to live for anyway. Y'all see how I'm living.
I'm not even
My
trying to
life
do
right
that.
here.
Hey.
Where's my shit? All my stuff.
Your things.
You see, he's still she's still talking.
Grab
This
your
is weird.
things.
Y'all,
Grab
please
your
read my
things.
messages.
No, grab the bucket now.
I'm gonna get on my phone and find a ride. I don't have a ride. I'm gonna be outside, sleeping outside.
You should have agreed to that. You know what then?
Going to the lobby.
Mom want me down there. Like, you don't understand.
Yeah.
I'm
How
not
long
shit
have
in
you-
here.
How many days?
About a week and a half, 2 weeks.
Damn.
You told me a week.
It's been a long.
Okay.
That's why I said a week. The right week and a half.
I would have been like, officer, I'm drunk.
Same thing.
This is your last chance.
We don't need that.
Please grab a basket.
Take me
and
to jail.
let's-
I ain't gonna lie. I'm not right now. I'm just saying. No.
Oh.
I'm just saying, like, no. Take me to jail. It's not even that serious. But I'm just saying that we're.
Keep your arm right there.
I am. As you can see, I am. I'm just saying the way he did me is wrong.
Stop moving.
That's why I have messages. He forced me into having a fucking threesome with them. I didn't want to. You hear this?
They laughing. That laugh was so fucking evil, bro.
Turn around.
I ain't gonna lie, I would have spazzed if somebody would have been laughing at me while I'm getting arrested for not agreeing to a threesome.
Please don't take me to jail. Please. No. And she laughing at me. I'm not even. No, my mama's gonna be mad. You throw my. Is that my phone?
It fell off.
She got a big old pumpkin back there.
You just threw my. I just let you throw my phone. Please kill me.
Oh. Imagine explaining this shit to your mama and your daddy, though, bro. Oh, man. This is one of those things you would never want to tell them.
Kill me. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Kareem! You
down. Grab a leg.
Hey, she thick on that backside, though. I see why he was trying to set it up, but, I mean, you got to be smarter than that, man. I would have been like, world star.
We need you to relax, and we need you to quit screaming, okay?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Y'all not
we want to
listening to me,
listen.
man.
We want to
He
work
hurt
with you.
me, man.
Hey, we want to work with you, but we can't keep screaming.
I know. I did with since I was
Okay.
15. Please,
Okay.
I know.
So can you quit
Huh?
screaming? Can we do that?
I never.
You was dealing with him when you was 15 and he 30 something? Wait a minute. Wait, whoa. Whoa. Did she just say that? We gotta rewind that.
Hey, we want to work with you, but we can't keep screaming.
I know. I did with since I
Okay.
was 15. Please,
Okay.
I know.
So can you quit screaming? Can we do that?
I never been to jail.
Ma'am, okay.
Please, man.
Relax.
I want a juvenile. Please don't take me.
What we're
Look,
gonna do?
man, look at it. He's watching me. Look at it.
Can you?
He's watching me. They laughing at me, man. Please.
So-
He begged me to come back to him. I went
Hey,
home.
hey, quit. You were
Please don't take me to jail.
Hey, we're gonna walk you to the lobby first. Let's do that
Please.
one step at a time.
Please, before I die today, please. That's
come
all I
over to
want
your-
is please.
come over to your
No,
head.
please, wait,
Okay,
please.
let's lift your-
Don't, can y'all please
stand
take
up.
me out of this? Take me out this. I'm telling y'all, and they still watching me, man. They watching me. That's what they made me.
Well, I would have been all up in that peephole like this.
They still have the messages. They made me do this, man. I'm like,
Okay, let's stand up.
don't worry about my name.
Let's stand up. We're gonna help you up, okay?
I ain't gonna lie to you, baby. If he living out of a hotel, you gotta find somebody better than that. At least, you know feel me? At least getting a man with an apartment.
You and my dick.
Hotel? Shit.
Let's go. Stand up.
Nah, hell no. That's why I said y'all gonna have to kill me. Can I get my purse? Get my purse.
Whoa.
Grab it. We'll grab it.
Can I grab it? I'll grab it. We're gonna carry it for you. Please, cause y'all all sitting here weird as. Where's y'all grab my stuff? Y'all all need me. That's why I'm so gentle. See, they watching me out here. Please, y'all make me feel so bad. He hurt me, man. He hurt me, bro. Y'all, please, man. Please, I'm only 19. See, y'all not even listening. Y'all just wanna hurt. Y'all crazy. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Do we want to get fired or get a gurney and put her on it?
If she big as hell, that's gonna be a fight for sure.
Laid it down.
I will literally get all your stuff and bring it downstairs with us, but you have to go down there with
I
us.
know. That's why I know how to. I know.
So you're gonna go now?
At this point.
Okay,
Yes,
let's do
I
it.
will.
We won't even touch you.
I just want y'all to get my purse and my phone.
yeah, we will get it.
My charger, that's it.
We're gonna get every single thing.
Like, bro, I won't have nowhere to go. Please, man. Like, the way he did me and the way they did me was so. Please, oh my God, I'm
Sit
gonna
down for
die.
me.
I'm gonna die.
Hey, we got this far.
Okay,
I'm
y'all
gonna
please
give you a
tell-
ride. Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. Am I being? That's what I said. Am I being
your feet in.
arrested or? That's what. Can you please just talk
Yeah,
to me?
you are. So take
I
your.
am. Oh my God.
Listen.
Thank you guys for tuning. Hold on. What was
Charged
the?
with trespass after
okay.
warning and resisting arrest.
I about to say, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you get that notification. Hit that notification. Ah, fuck. Start that over. 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.